Hi, I'm Lauren, and LA is my hometown. To make it in LA, you're gonna need a couple of things. You're gonna need talent, you're gonna need the look, and you're gonna need a bit of luck.
LA is all about celebrity. If you're not one, you've at least got to look like one. Here's how to get 3 of my favorite looks with a few key pieces. Keep your locks loose for the Mila Kunis look. Mila has major sex appeal and she loves dresses as much as they love her. Pared back accessories are key, and be sure to keep the heels high. Scarlett Johansson is all about old school glamour. Statement earrings, figure-hugging silhouettes, classic shoes, and ladylike bags. Her look is put together and uber feminine. Rachel Bilson is the epitome of LA cool. Skinny jeans, check. T-shirt, blazer, scarf, triple check. Oh, and Rachel's never without a statement bag and a hip pair of shades.
But what celebrity do you want to look like?